Okay, this is Stanley Bloomfield, and I'm going to do a Xiphos Bible library installation on my Ubuntu 24 Oracle VirtualBox. Xiphos is free, and I just clicked on the App Center, and up here in the search, in the search bar, we're going to type in Xiphos, Xiphos, and then it gives us the Xiphos Bible Guide, and again, that is in the Ubuntu App Center. All right, I'm going to click Install. Now you type in your system password. All right. Now, this open source costs nothing. To say that it's free isn't the right way to say it. You're not being cheap by using open source. I'm convinced this is the application software, whatever you want to call it, that Myers used. I think his name was Fred Myers when he pretended that he created eSword. And then it's also the same deal with Logos, the Logos Bible Library. This Xiphos is is the foundation for Logos and eSword. I believe this is called the Sword. Let's see what it does. Okay, uninstall. No. Okay, we can close out. All right, we closed out the App Center. Now we're going to open up Xiphos Bible Guide for the first time. Welcome to Xiphos. There are no Bibles installed. In order to initialize, okay, we don't want that. Overview the module management. Okay, repository, add, remove. Now, I've always found that this is tricky to get this going. All right, but this is you got to pay attention to this one. If you live in a persecuted country, use with care. I don't think China wants their people using software like this, or even most likely Linux. Who knows? All right, but here we go. This is the module manager, and overview module. Okay, I was hoping this would show again that there are no Bibles. Okay, so you go up here to the top, module sources. You've got add, remove, and you got choose. All right, these are all the different libraries out there in the internet world that you can get modules from. All right, let's bring up. Okay, I selected bible.org. I'm going to push refresh. Now, I need to make this clear. It usually starts off with crosswire in this here choose. It usually says crosswire dot. Let's see there. Yeah, it just says crosswire. All right, and then you refresh it, and now we'll come down here to modules and install/update. Now, these are all of the books and modules you can get through Crossfire. All right, Bible texts, African, Dutch, French. All right, I'm going to go down to, well, I want English myself. All right, English. All right, let's see here. These are all the English Bibles you can get. English Middle, I guess that's British. All right, so let's just go up here, and I just want the Apostolic Bible Polyglot. And then we'll install Anderson. Now see, when you hover over it, it'll give you like ASV. It'll give you the breakdown for ASV, American Standard Version. Now, the ones that aren't free, they'll have like an asterisk or a lock on them. All right, so let's load up the American. Let's check that one, and then we'll go to where's my. All right, let's go to the King James Version with the Strongs. We'll load that one up, and now we'll click Install. And let me now again, the this is a VirtualBox, and so it's a little bit distorted, but we're going to load up these three, and then down here you'll see that it's installing the Apostolic Bible Polyglot. Should be done now. Now it's installing the ASV. And trust me, this is worth every bit of time you spend. And I think I'm going to do another video after I do this one to show how to do a quick PDF that you can send by email to others. Okay, now let's go down. Let's go back to our Bible texts, back down to English, and we now have ABP, ASV, and the King James Authorized. It's King James Apocrypha. Okay, we've got. So now let's go. We'll hit that arrow and close that back up. Now we'll come down. We'll go to the commentaries. I'm going to select English. Let's see, which one? Task all. Okay, now look here. You got Schofield commentary. You've got whatever Matthew Henry's. Oh, that's a good one. Matthew Henry. You know, let's load Matthew Henry up. We'll load those two up. Check them and then click Install. Install the modules. Okay, Matthew Henry has. It's quite a big one. It's got six different sections. Oh, task all is treasury of knowledge, treasury of scriptural knowledge. That's super awesome. You got to have that one. All right, so now we've got commentaries. Let's load up. We'll load up Abbott Smith and Webster's 18. Now you see you got 1806, you got the 1828 Webster's, and the 1913. I'll show you when we get this done. That on the desktop that this VirtualBox is in, I installed every single module for English, Greek, Hebrew, every last one that they would let me have. Let's go back up here. I'm going to go back up and install a... all right, where are you at? Okay, Koinan. All right, this Hebrew Modern. I may have to do that in HI. All right, we'll have to do that one on the next module. All right, we got dictionaries, glossaries. All right, nothing in English there. Devotionals, English, DBD Daily, install. Okay, like I said, I installed everything. All right, now devotionals, general books. I think you're getting the gist. Now you have Finney's Jubilees, Josephus, and then let's see where Passion, Orthodoxy. John Owen. I'm looking for the Pilgrim's Progress. It may not be in this one. What, Enoch, Baptist Confession. All right, but yeah, I was looking for the Pilgrim's Progress. That's in one of these, one of the online libraries. Okay, but now my my VirtualBox installation of Xiphos now has Josephus. Okay, general books, now occult, English, and Diagot, what is this? Joseph Smith translation, the emphatic diaglot, whatever that is, AFV, a faithful version. Okay, now let's go back up to choose. Okay, now you see, this is where now you're going to select a new online source, and we're going to go to Bible.org. Now these are all the different ones: Xiphos, Step Bible, Lockman Foundation, IBT. All right, we're gonna Bible.org and refresh. Okay, now we can go to install, and we got Bible texts, English. Oh, what'd you do? Okay, NET, commentaries, English. Now see, we don't have hardly anything to choose from here. And then when I did my desktop, I loaded all of them. Okay, let's go back up. Choose under module sources. Crosswire Attic Medic. Let's go with Xiphos. Let's see. Okay, I selected Xiphos, and we just refreshed. Now we've got quite a few here. Here we've got maps. Okay, English. We've only got 3 to choose from here. BSV. All right, this one we've got 2T Greek right here. Let's see what Hebrew N. Okay, that's a Hebrew text of the New Testament. I'm looking for a specific module. Okay, let's go back to choose. Okay, Xiphos doesn't have it. Crosswire Attic. Let's see what's in here. Okay, I selected Crosswire Attic, refreshed, and then we'll go to install Bible texts. All right, here. Let's see what that is. Okay, here's the LXX. This is the Septuagint morphology. This is the original Greek for the Septuagint. Now I think, okay, Aleppo. That's one of the oldest Hebrew texts. So we'll install those two. Install these modules. All right, I think you're getting the gist of. You got to go in and install everything. Everything you want. All right. 3 of 3. All right. Now you see, you just go through, look through everything, and it's an unbelievable amount of biblical maps, woodcut drawing images, and it's all open source. Okay, so let's close this out now. Xiphos Bible module installation complete. Now, oh, it tried to open it up before. All right, now here's biblical texts. I have 1, 2, 3 Bibles, King James Version, ASV, and ABP. I have the Septuagint, and I have the Aleppo Codex. Let's go up here to the King James Version. Now, what you do is you right-click on your mouse. All right, under Module Options, hit the Strong's number. Left-click on the Strong's numbers, and Boom, you've got it all. Okay, that's a complete installation for Xiphos, and I'll do another video back to back with this one that does a kind of like a demonstration, and I'm going to use my Xiphos installation on the desktop, and we'll open up LibreOffice and make just a one or two page demonstration of how to use a Office suite like Microsoft Word or LibreOffice and Xiphos together. All right, thanks for watching this video, and trust me, you want to have a Linux operating system. I'm using Ubuntu. You can use anything you want, Mint, Zorin, anything. There's hundreds of operating systems for Linux that cost nothing. All right, stand out for now.